Bhavre Institute of Technology from Gujarat, Baroda. Our topic is reactive power control on a large wind farm using doubly fed induction generator. Nowadays, we know that need of electricity is increasing day by day, and so we need to produce electricity in such a way that it would be more efficient, and so we should produce it from renewable resources such as wind, and for that wind farms and windmills are there. In a windmill, normally an induction or a synchronous generator are used, and the main problem is that during any fault or any overload condition, blackout can happen, total power loss can happen in case of induction generator. And DFIG, doubly fed induction generator, we can use this to this is a DFIG. How it works? When due to wind, turbine will rotate and rotor will also rotate, and stators are connected to the rotors, and the power will supply to the grid directly. Another connection is also taken in MATLAB simulation. It looks like this. Now we have done a case study. There is a wind farm in Rajkot, Navagam, a 9 megawatt wind farm, and there are 6 windmills of 1.5 megawatt each. There are induction generators used there. See, DFIG is connected to the turbine, then voltage is stepped up and is transmitted, and again stepped up and is given to the line. And this is formed in a MATLAB. It looks like this. If there is no fault, you can see reactive power, active power, speed and current also. All will be constant when there is no fault. This is the pitch angle, and power is constant. Fault occurs, it falls down immediately, and it is cleared immediately in microseconds, and again power is supplied. So there is no blackout if we use DFIG. These are the graph of
hybrid wavelength and code book algorithm.